church is closed on Sundays, but then so is a liquor store. And I'm waiting for one to open, to be saved but not by no law. Well, the hills are filled with nothing under the big long bitch in the sky. Ain't no more to be mine except the liquid kind, so dig deep, boys, we'll get sleep tonight. Alright, it ain't hard to find nothing, but then nothing's hard to find. We'll fall out of the pit instead of into it, and the sun's out with the sunlight. There's a life asleep in a bed beneath the stars, and that's fine for some. I got my arms around my woman and we're going back to dawn. Dogs howl and the doomsday whistle blow. Almost always awake and an 8-hour sleep is a luxury that we don't know. Oh no, it ain't hard to find nothing, but then nothing's hard to find. We'll fall out of the pit instead of into it, and the sun's out with the sunlight. There's a life asleep in a bed beneath the stars, and that's fine for some. I got my arms around my woman and we're going back to dark. In the biz we call this a breakdown. We're gonna break it down. Dylan and the breakdowns. How about that? That works. Yeah. I'd like to thank you all for coming and staying very much. I'm gonna do a couple songs after. Don't worry, this isn't the last one. Don't worry, don't worry. On drums, we have Dave Shocknessy, or Shockness Monster. Thank you very much. On bass, we have Shane O'Malley. Shane O'Malley. Thank you very much. I'm Dylan. Okay, we're gonna break down a little bit. Well, the church is closed on Sundays, well then so is a liquor store. And I'm waiting for one to open, I'll be saved but not by no Lord. Oh Lord, it ain't hard to find nothing, but then nothing's hard to find. We'll fall out of the pit instead of into it, and the sun's out with the sunlight. There's a life asleep in a bed beneath the stars, and that's fine. I got my arms around my woman and we're going back to dust. Going back one more time. It ain't hard to find nothing, but then nothing's hard to find. We'll fall out of the pit instead of into it, and the sun's out with the sunlight. There's a life asleep in a bed beneath the stars, and that's fine for some. I got my arms around my woman and we're going back to dust. Thank you very much.